Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my morning analysis for the US dollar index and the DXY. Same difference. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar is a little bit on the sideways side. I think that the clarity is on a little bit of a higher time frame. If you go up to the 4 hour time frame, to me, this is where you can see potentially a wave A, a wave B. It kind of almost seems like it could even turn into like an ABC, maybe DE or something like that, almost like a triangle. Really seems like we need to make another pretty decent move to the upside for like the 38%. And, that's maybe like a triangle or like a wedge type look that I would expect. Whatever happens today is definitely going to be setting itself up for the interest rate news that we have for the US dollar tomorrow on Wednesday. So I'm hoping what happens is that this drifts up more, maybe to the 38 or even the 50%. And then tomorrow at the US interest rate news is when we get the end of a correction and potentially the continuation of the downtrend on the dollar. Because we have to remember the dollar is definitely still in a downtrend, and I still think there's a lot of downside potential on the very high time frames on the US dollar. I don't think that this wave C on the higher time frames is even close to being over. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.